Tired of missing out on the latest games and gear because of budget constraints? Today, we're diving into how you can level up your gaming experience using Klarna at Gamestop, making those must-have purchases more manageable than ever. First, head over to GameStop's website or visit your local store and find the games, consoles, or accessories you've been eyeing. Add everything to your cart, just like you normally would. Now, at the checkout page, look for Klarna as a payment option. It's usually listed along with credit cards and other payment methods. Select Klarna. You'll be redirected to Klarna's secure website or app. If you're a first-time user, you'll need to create an account. This involves providing some basic information like your name, address, date of birth, and payment details. Don't worry, it's a quick and secure process. Klarna will then present you with different payment plan options. These usually involve splitting your purchase into 4 interest-free installments or other longer-term financing options, depending on your credit. Review the terms carefully, paying attention to the due dates and amounts for each payment. Once you've chosen a payment plan that works for you, confirm your purchase through Klarna. You might need to verify your identity through a code sent to your phone. After Klarna confirms your payment, you'll be redirected back to the GameStop order confirmation page. You'll receive an email from both GameStop and Klarna with your order details and payment schedule. And that's it. You've successfully used Klarna to buy now and pay later at GameStop, allowing you to enjoy your new gaming goodies without breaking the bank all at once. Now you can keep on gaming. Remember to make your Klarna payments on time to avoid any late fees. Happy gaming!